response to the brazen invasion of the Rivers State High Court complex by armed thugs of the All Progressive Congress (APC), backed by the operatives of the Nigerian police last Friday, the Rivers State House of Assembly has resolved to formally write to the United Nations to save the people of the state from the hands of the APC federal government.
Having resolved the initial prayer and carried out the action that the House has further resolved to condemn the attack and closure of the Rivers State High Court complex on Friday, 11th of May, 2018. 2. That the House has resolved to write the United Nations on the need to save Rivers people from the hands of enemies of democracy who attacked the citadel of justice on Friday, the 11th of May, 2018.
The Rivers State House of Assembly also resolved to write the European Union and the Commonwealth of Nations to take immediate steps to ensure the safety of Rivers people in the face of premeditated assaults by the APC federal government and her agents.
We should also write the European Union and other foreign missions on the plight of Rivers people.
At an emergency session on Monday, the Rivers State House of Assembly also resolved to write the President and Commander-in-Chief with a view to calling him to immediate action on the evils being perpetrated against Rivers people by his administration. Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Ikuyi Owaje Bani, who presided over the sitting, placed the motion moved by the Majority Leader, Mr. Martins Amehule, before members for voting.
To write the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari, to act in the circumstance as the leader of the country, that it is proper and fit for him to act, so that all arms of government, all institutions must carry out their functions without any impediment from any security agent or IRA.
16 members voted in favor of the motion, while 3 voted against and other 3 members abstained from voting. The resolution followed a motion moved by Leader of the House and Member representing Obiakpo State Constituency 1, Martin Chike Amehule, under the matter of urgent importance, condemning the attack and closure of the Rivers State High Court complex on the 11th of May 2018. The motion was seconded by the member representing Bonny State Constituency, Abie Pepo.
The 11th day of May 2018, some individuals, some uniform, others not uniform, invaded the Rivers State High Court complex, unleashed mayhem on litigants, lawyers, judicial officers, passers-by, and went ahead to close the Rivers State High Court complex. Mr. Speaker, they literally locked the gates leading to that complex.
The Leader of the House, who stated that the cause of the crisis was an impending ruling on a matter between 2 disputing parties of the All Progressive Congress (APC), noted with sadness that no arrest has been made, even when sponsored hoodlums were seen attacking people and destroying vehicles and infrastructure at the High Court complex in the presence of the APC-controlled Federal Anti-Robbery Squad, FSARS.
Members of the All Progressive Congress stormed the Rivers State High Court complex, shut it down, threw stones at everybody around, molested judicial officers, destroyed vehicles belonging to judicial officers and passers-by, litigants, lawyers alike. Mr. Speaker, they didn't stop at that. They locked the High Court complex, a situation that is reminiscent of what we saw in the past.
He observed that the safety of the Rivers State Governor can no longer be guaranteed for the federal government, whose responsibility is to control the police, has now delegated the power of controlling of the Rivers State Police Command and particularly FSARS to the Leader of Rivers APC. In his contribution, Minority Leader Benibol Anabraba regretted that members of his political party desecrated the temple of
So,
justice.
by profession, I am also a lawyer, and by implication, a minister in the temple of justice. That temple was desecrated on Friday by persons allegedly belonging to my party.
Deputy Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Mr. Marshall Wom, said it is expedient to defend the rule of law and democracy in the state.
I fully in support of all the prayers contained in this motion, and to state that it is expedient that we move as prompt as we can before we fall into a Robesian state where life is short, nasty, and brutish.
Member representing Ahuda East Constituency 2, Mr. E.A. Edison, while condemning the invasion, said that acts of this nature must be met with sanctions.
All infractions against persons and individuals can be forgiven, but any infraction against the people, states, and institutions must be remedied.
Member representing Asari State Constituency 2, Emine George, who described as sacrilegious the desecration of the State Temple of Justice, urged the President to sack the Inspector General of Police for incompetence.
Mr. Speaker, what has happened is a very indecorous, sacrilegious, in fact, malevolent approach on not just democracy, on not just the very sacred temple of justice, but Mr. Speaker, on the entirety of the population of Rivers State.
Majority Whip Evans BP said that the attack on the High Court complex is geared towards 2019 elections and urged the House to also write to all embassies in Nigeria.
Mr. Speaker, it would just to know that the attack is not just for the judiciary, but these are plans made for 2019 general election. We are just seeing the act of their plans to enable us to stand firm to defend the people. And also to add that we will take measures to also write to all the important embassies so that they will know what we are passing through in this part of Nigeria. This part of Nigeria.
Ruling on the matter, Speaker of the State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Ikuyo Waje Bani, said the position of the state is to save the state from the illegal acts of the APC federal government.
Having done this and having resolved, we believe that the House has done its bit and we have resolved in that manner.
He said the attack on the judiciary, which is the last hope of the common man, is a sad narrative of the state and her corporate existence. The House of Assembly later moved to the State High Court complex, where they inspected the damage done by the APC and the Nigerian police. The Chief Judge of Rivers State conducted the state lawmakers round.